I have a very interesting reading for you today. Universe really wants to bring your heart's desire to a success. So let's just find out. I have 4 options for you. Now, let me tell you that you can choose more than one. It is fine, perfectly fine, because there might be more than one desires of yours getting fulfilled by the universe. So please go ahead and do that if you feel like. But at the same time, just select any crystal that calls you more, and do not think much. Just go by your gut and instant feeling that you get. Just select it and your answer should be there. So let's just start with the reading then. Alright, pile 1. I can see that the wish that universe wants to fulfill for you is a wish. I'm giving you hints. You can just, as please understand that this is a general reading, so align your wish accordingly and understand the meaning accordingly. I'm just giving you the scenarios that I see here. So I'm seeing that you have really kept yourself unshaken for this wish to come true. And for few of you, it is literally a marriage proposal that you have been waiting for, some relationship that you have been trying to hold up to, and you just was wishing that this should come true. And let me tell you, once this comes true, you will really feel life coming back in your day to day. You will really feel that childlike amusement once again, childlike naivety once again. It's like a blissful happiness that is showing up here. And yes, for others also, this is, regardless of a marriage proposal or a relationship issue or a relationship coming to fruition or something like that, regardless of only that wish, I am seeing that this wish of yours, because this is a magical way of universe to actually manifesting your wish for you. Because I am seeing that you have been really holding tight for this wish of yours. You have been working hard. You have been just putting in so much of effort and keeping your hopes high. It's like something wherein you put in effort aggressively. That is not what I'm seeing here. I'm seeing that you're putting in effort, but with a lot of faith in your heart. That faith that kept you going is going to be successful now. The faith that you felt inside your heart was all true, right? It was not in your head. You were just keeping up to your hopes, to your wishes in the way that yes, this is something that you felt in your heart is meant to be. So please don't take it only for the relationship. That was just one scenario, as I already said. But this is certainly a magical manifestation that is coming from the universe, because you've really held tight to your wish. This wish is something divinely inclined. It is something that is pure at heart, something which is going to bring. That is the reason why you will be blessed with that lightheartedness. Okay, I'm seeing that very clearly. Very soon this is going to be manifested, and you will feel magically, you'll feel that as if all your burden has been shed now. This wish has actually kept you so hopeful. You really felt that there will be a day wherein you will be free of all these tensions, free of all this, all the extra burden that you're carrying, free of being holding it tight and all of that. It takes a lot of effort. Definitely, you put in a lot of effort. But all your righteousness, your purity of heart, this was a very divine and very pure wish of yours. So that is the reason why universe has actually now come up to fulfill for you. This is the only reason why you felt that strong faith in you. I'm seeing you very light once this is fulfilled. I'm seeing you enjoying your life very well once again. This is a nice, blissful, naive gateway opening for you. Childlike happiness, bliss opening for you. You'll feel very light, definitely. Wherever you will be, but you will be full of light, you will be full of laughter, you will be full of, this is internal happiness, which is called bliss. Also, one clear message I'm getting here is you're being asked to actually, have that faith like a child only. Child trusts you. Whatever you are to that child, the child will never judge you. And that is what universe wants you to keep going with. You have been kept on that faith. Universe wants you to have that non-judgmental faith on universe and God, and let things happen and manifest for you effortless. Wishing you all the luck. Bye for now. Alright, pile 2. Let's jump into your reading. Let's find out the desire that is going to be fulfilled by the universe for you. So I'm getting 2-3 messages, as it is a general reading, so please take what resonates to your scenario. I'm seeing some of you might be wanting to go on a cruise or have a vacation with your partner or with your family. This is something that you have been really waiting for a long time. So universe is about to fulfill that for you. And the others, I'm really seeing that yes, you might be, and this might be a trip to an ocean or a seaside or something like that, or maybe you want to ride that sea scooter or something like that, whatever it is, these desires I'm seeing for few of you. And for others, I am really seeing that you want to navigate through this hard time of yours. There's some hard turmoil going in your life. You have been seeing a lot of ups and downs in your life at the moment. You really want them to now go and vanish because you're tired of ups and downs coming in your life. But at the same time, universe wants you to understand that yes, everything is happening behind the curtains. You do not see it. Things are moving, but you might not be seeing it because the pace that you want might not be seen in practical life. But at the same time, they will move faster for you once you understand the art of acceptance. Just need to accept as it is. Whatever is happening, it is happening because it is meant to be. It might be there to train you on something, might be there to teach you something, might be there that something is being released in your life now. What does that mean? There might be a karmic account getting released in this way, or something is happening, and whatever is happening, it is happening only for your betterment. You need to understand this. Accept the situation as it is, and you will see that things are moving all the more in a flow. You will see that things will start moving very, very much at a higher pace than you are seeing them moving now. Okay? So yes, this is a strong message that I'm getting for this particular pile. Your desire is going to manifest also magically. In your case also, I'm seeing that this is going to manifest magically. So just let the universe do the needful. You just keep your hopes high and keep praying, keep meditating, and keep connecting to God in whichever way that you can. Okay? And keep keeping your belief in your good deeds. Keep doing the good deeds. Everything is happening only for your betterment. I've already discussed that. This is a clear message. Things will start happening all the more fast when you will learn just to accept whatever happens is happening only for the betterment and let it happen. Move forward. Okay? I'm sending you much love. Bye-bye for now. Alright, pile 3. Let's see which wish of yours is coming true. It's going to be fulfilled by the universe. So yes, I'm seeing this. This is a wish wherein you've put in a lot of effort. You have required a lot of strength of yours. It has required your physical, mental, emotional, as well as spiritual strength. And you have done a great job. You've really managed to keep yourself on your toes. Keep doing the hard work. Keep doing whatever was needed. And that is the reason why all your masters, the grandmasters, all your ancestors, they are just trying to be by your side because they are just blessing you. Okay? And that has kept you so strong. You're just not alone. Understand this. You have so many ancestors around you who are supporting you in this wish of yours. This desire of yours is going to be fulfilled in a kind of team manifestation way. You and your ancestors, you and your higher spiritual beings, angels, they are just there supporting you. You've done a great job, let me tell you. This is something that you have worked hard on. This can be, for some of you, you might have been building a house and that has taken a lot of your efforts. You had to manage your work, manage your house, manage your home, manage your relationships, manage everything and still do the hard work that was needed in that house. I mean, it might have taken a lot of your time and effort. For few of you, I'm seeing this might be something, a project of yours which you have been working upon. And for very few, I'm also seeing you might be an environmentalist and probably you have been working upon a very important project, and that is another reason for the universe to help you, because universe is actually by your side about your with your good deed that you're doing. You are actually being a party to this environment, and that is what is also giving a reason to universe to help you and bless you. Now in your scenario, I am seeing that you have dedicatedly done something right. This is not a desire wherein you are ruling other people's wishes and desires and doing only manifesting yours. No, you rather might be doing it in for a collective. It is happening for a collective. It can be for a family only, or it can be, as I said, it can be for all of us. Like if you are an environmentalist and working towards the environment, of course it is going to be for all of us. I hope you're getting the message. So whatever your scenario, but I'm seeing you're not just doing it for yourself selfishly. You are trying to make this happen, and a lot of effort of yours is required. It's just not that easy. You are making it look very easy. You're making it look very flawlessly perfect, but at the same time, it is taking a lot of your effort, and that cannot be denied. That is the reason why universe wants to bless you with this. So you'll be getting it nevertheless. Expect miracles happening. You might not have expected you can expect the unexpected in your scenario because you have done such a good deed. This is going to actually, you do not have your own selfish motive behind it, is what I'm seeing. And this is the reason why universe wants to bless you more. Here I'm seeing that you can expect miracles happening in your life. You can expect things happening even better in the way that you want them to be manifested. You might see even better results, something that you might not have expected also. So I'm wishing you all the best. You've done a great job. Keep your spirit high. I'll see you next. Bye. Alright, pile 4. So let's see which desire of yours is getting fulfilled. I'm seeing this desire, you've put in all your effort. You have drained yourself and done everything that was possible in your capabilities. You've done all. You've put in all the cards in one stack. You put in all the efforts. This might be a wish that you might have given up on. This might be a wish that you might have thought that now maybe it's not going to happen only. Because you have tried so hard, but you only see a wall in front of you. You do not see things happening only. It's like it's going to a dead end for you all the time. That is what you see. But let me tell you, what you see here in practicality is totally opposite that is happening in the frequency land, in the universal language. What is happening is totally opposite. So if you're seeing that there is a blockage and this is a dead end for you, actually you are growing from the dead end. I am seeing in the universal language, I am seeing that the dead end that you are seeing is actually leading you to the path that you have been waiting for, even more than that. And this is something that is greater than what you might have wished. Go beyond your expectation. I'm seeing the rock bottom that you are seeing at the moment, the dead end that you are seeing at the moment is actually the beginning that universe is starting off with. So that is just a beginning. You will see now things opening up for you. You will see this happening magically. Now that you have put in all the efforts, you cannot do anything about it, okay? Now you just are being asked to believe and trust in the universe and God. Believe in your right deeds. Keep doing the right deeds. Lighten up a bit. Do some things that can just keep you energized because you have lost a lot of energy. You put in so much of effort, and that is the reason why you feel drained also. And then when you see no results coming up, you just feel very drained. So, but as I said, that universe has just started with your work. So it is going to open to so many avenues you might not have even thought of until now. The only thing that you need to do is just try to be as light as possible. Do not overthink. Just keep the faith in God. Keep meditating if you know how to meditate. If you are a musician, or if you are a singer, or if you enjoy music, music can be very therapeutic for you this particular time. And keep believing in magic that universe always comes up with. Okay, everything is happening for your betterment only. It's just that when we see no results, we feel that nothing is happening. But as I have already discussed, this is something that you see, and when universal language, it is totally opposite. It is just starting off with whatever dead end you feel you are at. Universe is actually starting from there. So I'm wishing you all the best because magical blessings are coming there on your way. Just keep believing in magic, keep believing in God, keep believing in your good deeds, and just be as light as possible. You've done all your efforts, right? Just switch on that music, loosen up a bit. Just relax, do some breathing exercises, do some meditations, go out in a park if you can, if you have some park nearby. Cardio, just a light one, or yoga or something like that. Just keep yourself involved in something that can keep you in a light way occupied, okay? In something that you enjoy, keeps you in a high vibration is advised in your case, okay? I'm wishing you all the best. See you next. Bye-bye.